Hi everyone, thank you so much for checking out this video. If you're new here, my name is Stephanie and I cover oily skin, hooded eyes, and beauty. So in today's video, we're gonna find out if the Anastasia Beverly Hills Eye Brag Eyeliner and Mascara Kit are hooded eye approved. This liquid liner claims to be a water-resistant, highly pigmented, true black matte gel formula that glides on evenly and delivers precise lines with ease. The Lash Brag Jet Black Volumizing Mascara claims to be an ultra volumizing formula that creates fullness you can't stop bragging about. So I purchased these on the Sephora website and it was actually a set and it comes with 2 full-size products for only $29. And I have never tried any Anastasia Beverly Hills mascara or eyeliner, so I figured that this is the perfect time to try this out. As usual, I did a 10-hour wear test. I did it for 2 days, and on day 1, I did my geometric wing shape for my hooded eyes, and if you don't know what I'm talking about, I'll go ahead and link the video that I did on that specific look, and you can go and check it out. And then on day 2, I just lined the lashes. But first, let's go ahead and talk about my first impressions, and then I will talk about how it wore at the end of the day. So let's first talk about the liquid liner and its applicator, because this is actually a felt tip liner, but it moves like a bristle tip. It's spongy, but flexible. I do think many people will like this type of applicator because it kind of has the benefits of 2 different types of applicators. The felt tip, which holds more product, and then the bristle tip, which is a little bit easier to maneuver. I do wish the tip was just a bit sharper. I feel like it's just a little bit too round and really hard for me to get anything as precise as I would like to. So it did take a bit for me to get used to this because I have never used anything like it before, and that's because it is a gel formula, so it's a lot thicker than other liquid liners that I've used. Now, I do like the ease of application, but I do have to be careful because I have really shaky hands, so I feel like this can get really out of hand really quickly. This liner does take a while to dry down, so I do recommend giving it the time to dry down whenever you are getting ready to go anywhere. Also, I want to address that this smells like paper mache. So I don't have a great sense of smell, so it doesn't really bother me, but just beware. So this mascara has an hourglass shaped brush, which gives some of the best results for people who have very thin, very straight lashes because it lifts and it volumizes, which of course everyone wants. You do have to be a little bit careful because the bristles are so long. You don't want to get all the way to the base of your lashes because the bristles will touch your lids and you'll get mascara on your lids. The formula isn't too wet or too dry. It does have the perfect consistency and it dries down pretty quickly. This is buildable without flaking or clumping, and with just 2 coats, you get lifted, voluminous, curled, longer, beautiful lashes. And it doesn't smell bad. It just smells like mascara. So at the end of the 10 hours, my liner smudged and faded, but only on the wings part. The part that lined my lashes was still very pigmented and very matte, which is weird. Surprisingly, the mascara held a curl, which I'm only used to seeing with waterproof mascaras. And even then, it's really hard for my lashes to hold a curl. So that was really nice. I did have some transfer onto my hooded lids, but that's to be expected. And to be honest, I have seen way worse with other mascaras. But there are some setbacks with this one. There were some smudging marks on the outer corners of my eyelids and the mascara flaked like crazy. I had mascara crumbs all over my face. Because of the issues that I had with the liner just on the geometric wing, I decided to only line my lashes for the second part of my wear test. But after the 10 hours, I feel like my liner was pretty much disappearing and it also transferred onto my hooded lids. The mascara behaved the exact same way it did the first time around. It smudged, it transferred, it flaked everywhere. Now I feel like it's pretty rare for me not to like a mascara or a liner just because I know that not all products are gonna be perfect, but I really did give these 2 a chance and I really wanted to like them, but they just didn't work for me. I don't think that these are hooded eye approved, and I really don't think that these are anything to brag about. Let me know down in the comments below how you guys use your liquid gel liners, and also let me know which liquid gel liners I should be trying next. If you guys like this video, please hit that thumbs up and subscribe for more content just like this. Thank you guys so much. Bye.